Okay, so if you're a person who's been wanting to get into realistic drawing, specifically portrait drawing, as in like drawing faces and skin textures and stuff like that, you've come to the right place because I have something for you. But when I say that, I don't mean you're gonna walk out of this video, drawing like some perfect person or whatever. Don't try to be like those people you see on social media. All right, okay, work with what you have. Literally meaning do what you are doing right now and work your way up to that level. You don't have to just draw beautiful things, even if your drawings are bad or whatever. It gets better in time the more you do it. So what I do when it comes to drawing rough skin texture is I get my pencil, just a regular pencil, right? It has to be clean. I turn it around and I just start dabbing it on my drawing just repeatedly where I want this rough skin texture to be. I just dab it repeatedly, and then after I do this, I go on and get that same pencil, flip it around, and then start shading in those dark parts, starting to add those little pores, that texture, you know what I'm saying? Like, start to add that texture with the pencil where the dark spots are, to create intricate, texture, whatever. The more you do this, the more you practice, the more you get better. You don't have to draw like the people you see on social media. You just gotta draw the way you draw, and all in due time it gets better. Keep going, never give up. Hope you like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.